Quality is the foundation of civil engineering. Every project is measured by the same principle: precision, safety, and reliability. Yet in today's interconnected industry, where teams are often spread across continents, maintaining consistent quality standards has become one of the most pressing challenges design firms face. Before we dive deeper, I'd love to hear your opinion. What do you think is the toughest challenge when managing quality across global teams? Drop a comment below and follow for more perspectives on civil engineering. Global collaboration brings enormous benefits but also significant risks. Engineers working across different regions must navigate diverse regulations, varied design standards, and cultural differences in how work is approached. Time zone gaps can make communication slow and coordination difficult. Even small errors in this environment can escalate into delays, costly rework, or reputational setbacks. That is why quality must move beyond being a final step in the process and become an integral part of every phase of delivery. AXA Engineers has demonstrated how this approach can be put into action, embedding quality into its systems and culture so that precision is maintained across borders. The most effective way to safeguard quality is through structured processes that provide multiple layers of review. Leading organizations have shifted to frameworks where drawings and models undergo not just self-checks but also peer evaluations and oversight from project managers who ensure compliance with strict local standards. Technology has amplified these efforts. Cloud-based platforms, building information modeling, and standardized workflows allow international teams to collaborate in real time, reducing the risk of miscommunication and helping align work to a single set of expectations. But technology alone cannot guarantee success. Quality ultimately depends on people who take responsibility for their work, teams that remain stable over time, and leadership that cultivates a culture of accountability. This is why AXA Engineers places equal emphasis on both systems and people, showing that when engineers feel empowered and supported, they consistently deliver work that meets international standards. Time is another factor that directly affects quality. Projects must often be delivered within tight deadlines, and the ability to respond quickly without sacrificing standards has become a defining advantage. AXA Engineers illustrates how this model works in practice. With a large team operating in dual shifts, AXA Engineers enables firms to experience the advantage of progress being made overnight. Partners often describe this as the work while you sleep benefit. It allows them to meet demanding schedules without constantly stretching their in-house staff to the limit. The result is faster delivery, greater flexibility, and more consistent outcomes across projects. Maintaining quality standards also requires vision for the future. As civil engineering becomes more globalized, firms must prepare not only for today's challenges but also for those that will arise as projects grow in scale and complexity. Training, knowledge transfer, and investment in new methods will become vital to keep teams aligned across continents. The ability to adapt while still holding fast to uncompromising standards of quality will define the leaders of tomorrow. For the civil engineering industry as a whole, the lesson is clear. Maintaining quality standards across global teams requires a balance of rigorous systems, empowered people, and effective use of technology. Firms that master this balance transform international collaboration from a source of risk into a competitive advantage. They not only reduce errors and accelerate delivery, but also strengthen the trust of clients who know that precision and reliability will be upheld, no matter where the work is completed. AXA Engineers exemplifies this commitment, reminding the industry that true quality is not only about technical expertise, but also about building trust across borders and delivering projects that stand the test of time. Now I want to hear from you. How do you see quality being challenged in global civil engineering projects today? Share your perspective in the comments and follow for more insights on how firms can adapt and stay competitive.